is Jane. Today I want to share with you an easy way to make your own facial cream and moisture at home. Let's get straight to it.